Top 6 checkmate traps to win fast. Number 1. The legal trap. e4, e5, knight f3, d6, bishop c4, bishop g4, knight c3, g6, knight takes e5, bishop takes queen d1, bishop takes f7 check, king e7, knight d5 checkmate. Number 2. The legal Scotch trap. e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, d4, e takes d4, bishop c4, d6, c3, d takes c3, knight takes c3, bishop g4, white castle, knight e5, knight takes e5, bishop takes queen d1, bishop takes f7 check, king e7, knight d5 checkmate. Number 3. The Ruy Lopez trap. e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, bishop b5, a6, bishop a4, knight f6, knight c3, bishop c5, knight takes e5, knight takes, d4, bishop b4, d takes e5, knight takes e4, queen d4, knight takes c3, d takes e3, bishop a5, bishop a3, b6, e6, queen f6, bishop takes d7 check, king d8, bishop c6, discover check, queen takes d4, e7 checkmate. Number 4. The Ruy Lopez trap version 2. e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, bishop b5, a6, bishop a4, d5, bishop b3, knight d4, bishop takes f7 check, king takes f7, knight takes e5, king e6, queen g for check, king takes e5, f for check, king takes e4, knight c3 checkmate. Number 5. The Palliser trap. d4, d5, e4, d takes e4, knight c3, knight f6, f3, e takes f3, queen takes f3, queen takes d4, bishop b3, queen b4, white castle, e5, knight b5, bishop g4, knight takes c7 check, king e7, queen takes b7, queen takes b7, bishop c5 checkmate. Number 6. Palliser trap, version 2. d4, d5, e4, d takes e4, knight c3, knight f6, f3, e takes f3, queen takes f3, queen takes d4, bishop b3, queen b4, white castle, bishop g4, knight b5, queen takes f3, knight c7 checkmate. Follow for more.